Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Moonpay with debit card. But before anything else, I just want to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice and this is just for educational purposes only, so please do your own research. Now to start with Moonpay. So Moonpay is a secure and easy to use crypto payment platform that allows you to buy Bitcoin, BTC and other cryptocurrencies using your debit or credit card. So all you have to do is go to the official Moonpay website, or you can just basically download Moonpay to your Android device or Apple device. Now once downloaded, you just have to create your or log into your account and then enter your email address and then complete the identity verification or the KYC verification. Now, it is a one-time process required before buying crypto, and you just have to choose Bitcoin in here once you're logged in. And if you don't see it in the popular tokens, you just tap on the discover and then search for Bitcoin. So since I have it in here, I'm just going to click on it and then this will open the purchase window. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then here you can tap on the buy option and click this one, and then here you will just have to select the currency that you're going to use for your purchase. And after that, you just have to make sure that it's BTC and then just enter the amount right here. And once you have added the amount, you just have to tap on the continue with Bitcoin. So basically, you can just purchase here. So if you have completed the KYC, you just have to select credit or debit card when asked how you want to pay. So Moonpay accepts Visa and MasterCard debit cards. So you just have to click on continue, and you're going to do is just have to, if you have already done the KYC, you will need to fill in your card name, expiry date, CVV, and make sure to review all the transaction and details. And then next is you just have to click or tap on the buy now or confirm, and you will receive the confirmation email once the purchase is processed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!